Media called the iPhone SE2 cheap. But he will only be like that in a year. We are waiting for the iPhone SE2. The fact that Apple will release iPhone SE2 in the first quarter of 2020 became known last week. But the leading Russian media came to their senses only today, having published news about the imminent release of a cheap iPhone. However, the upcoming iPhone SE2 cannot be called cheap. Such a smartphone will only be in a year, or even 1.5, after its release. Cheap iPhone SE2 will be. Several large editions at once wrote today that Apple is preparing a cheap iPhone. This, of course, is about the iPhone SE2, the launch of which last week was announced by respected analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. After the announcement, the specialist told a couple more details about the smartphone. He stated that the iPhone SE2 will cost $399. Thus, in many countries, the smartphone will be sold at a price of $500. Not at all cheap. Obviously, the media has somewhat embellished. However, the iPhone SE2, like any other smartphones, will gradually become cheaper. And a year after its release, by the summer-autumn of 2021, the smartphone will become more or less similar to a cheap one. If the price of a smartphone will fall according to the schedule traditional for the iPhone, then in the middle of 2021, the iPhone SE2 will cost less than $400. By the end of 2021, the price of a smartphone can reach $350 at all. In this way, the original iPhone SE and the same iPhone 6s became cheaper. Therefore, those wishing to see the iPhone SE2 cheap should be patient. Earlier, we talked about how leading experts called the iPhone SE2 a potential hit in 2020.